So on the way kami ngayon pa north, pero kakain muna kami dito sa San Isidro. Yung biyahe from General Luna up until Pacifico is about 1 hour. Yeah, about 1 hour by car. But if magmotor ka, mas mabilis actually. Parang mga 45 minutes. If kaya mag 30 minutes, go. Pero ngayon, chill drive lang para makita namin yung view. So, ayun. Nagutom na ako. So, let's eat. Pacifico and Siargao Express. Okay, my friend. We just arrived here at Pacifico Beach. They just have an entrance of like 80 pesos. So, it's worth it though. It's really nice. We're the only ones here actually. And now it's Q&A time. You asked, I answered. So let's get into it. What's your morning routine like here in Siargao? So I usually wake up with the sounds of the birds and the waves. No alarms here. So I usually wake up in the morning like 6 a.m. or 7, and then could buy coffee or just make one, since right now the house is still under construction. And then do a little stretching and then head out for a morning walk or swim. So yeah, it's simple but grounding. What brought you to the island life? Honestly, I was craving for peace and something slower. So I wanted to reconnect with nature, with people, and of course with myself. Siargao just felt right. So the energy, the community, the vibes, everything just aligned. Three things you can't live without. First is sunshine, second is music, and number three, I would say, is the beach. Since I'm a beach girl, forever a beach girl. So, yeah, it's what I love the most in the world. What's your go to comfort food? So, my comfort food, hands down, is sinigang. It's tamarind soup base, and usually it's cooked with beef or fishes or shrimps. I love shrimp the most. It's my favorite. So I can eat that every day, and I just love it. What's one thing people always get wrong about you? So, hmm, it's a tricky question, but is that I'm always super chill. I mean, I am, of course, I'm super chill and calm, but I also have this intense side when I'm working or building something, especially something that I care about. So I just go full on mode. Favorite hidden spot in Siargao? Well, if I would tell you, it's not hidden anymore, right? But we just have like a secret spot here at Pacifico. It's quiet, untouched. Parang sakin lang. Sometimes I bring snacks, sit on the sand, and just reflect. It's just chill. Biggest culture shock moving here. Siguro how time really slows down here. Everything's island time. So at first medyo nakakapanibago, but now I just love it. Craziest experience since living on the island. So when we were here last January, merong blackout. Nangyari yon parang 2 weeks ata. Walang kuryente, walang tubig, no anything. Tapos, yung bahay na pinagsistayan namin, wala rin generator. So, medyo mahirap. But we survived. Yun ang grabe. I never thought that would happen. I mean, that long. Pero, ayun. Dream travel destination aside from Siargao? Well, I always wanted to go South Africa or Iceland. So yeah, I've always wanted to go there. Actually, there's a lot in my bucket list that I haven't ticked yet, but hopefully in the future. But for now, yeah, I'm really happy here. There's still so much of the Philippines I want to explore too. What's your favorite local word or phrase you've picked up? Chill lang says, honestly, the vibe of the island. Stress, chill lang. Delay, chill lang. So, yeah, it's just a perfect motto. What's the story behind the Juice Shack and Rasa? So we wanted to create something that reflects both our roots and our travels. So the Juice Shack is all about freshness and good vibes. So Pinoy, like Malaysian twist. And Raza is actually where my heart is. So of course, I grew up loving Filipino food, but I also fell in love with Malaysian flavors. So why not both, right? How do you stay motivated as a creator slash entrepreneur? So I always remind myself why I started to share, to build, to inspire. And I'm surrounded by passionate, hardworking people here. Nakakahawa yung energy. Tips for someone who wants to move to an island and start fresh? Well, number one, of course, you should respect the place and the people and learn from the locals. They know the land best. So it's just better to talk to everyone. Magtanong-tanong kayo if you don't know like anything about something because they help you a lot. Lalo na yung mga tao dito, they've been like really helpful and lahat ng kailangan namin na kukuha namin, nahanap namin, I mean. Yeah, and always like, always be kind. Community is everything. Do you ever get homesick? People always ask me this since I haven't been living in the Philippines for like 3 years now, but I would say not really, since there are times that I go back just to travel and like explore new places. So yeah, this is my home, and now I'm back home, and we're building businesses and a villa, and yeah, I just feel so good here. Sunrise or sunset? Sunset, always. The golden glow, instant peace. Spicy or sweet? Spicy with a little sweet. Like me? Joke lang. Beach or mountains? Beach forever. But I wouldn't say no to a mountain adventure. Introvert or extrovert? Introvert na may social battery. Minsan extrovert, pero bihira lang. Kapag meron akong battery, go. Pero pag wala na, bye, uwi na ako. Coffee or teo ice limaw? Oh, both. I would say both. Coffee sa umaga and then teo ice limaw sa hapon. Yeah, perfect combo. What's your island nickname? Well, some people here just call me Mai, which is cute and short. So, yeah, that's my island nickname. So, salamat sa lahat na nagsend ng questions. I really appreciate it. So, I had so much fun answering them all. So, if you want a part two, just let me know. And so, just comment. And then, yeah, I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye, guys.